So you're hungry, you go to Chipotle, and you're wondering, what is something healthy that you can get there? Hey everyone, this is Travis Merritt with another fitness mastery tip for you. So right off the bat, if you can't guess where I actually went today, Chipotle. Right down through here. So I actually personally like Chipotle. I think if you're gonna go make a quick, healthy eating option, Chipotle is actually, in my opinion, one of the better options to do. Let me kind of show you what I've got here and then help you make the best decision possible if you're gonna go that route. So I'm not really sure if you can see, I'm gonna angle the camera down a little bit. So right through here, man, as I zoom in on this one, of course, right below this, you really can't see, and I'm trying to do the best we have, but we do have rice. I have veggies, which is gonna be peppers, and I have double steak, and then I also have guacamole for the fats. So let's say, for example, you're trying to do more of a lower carb or ultra low carb lifestyle. What I would do in that case is, instead you can have the option to do skip the rice, so you can skip any rice and do just veggies or double veggies, and then do your meats, your guacamole, your cheese, your sour cream if you want to go that option. Now, or you can just go lighter on the rice. You can go for a half serving of rice. You don't have to go for a full serving of rice. So again, comes down to the rice. On this one, I've got a full serving of rice, double steak. I do corn for the salsa, which it really isn't that hot. And then I do guacamole as well. So right here, you pretty much have healthy carbs, you have veggies, you have protein, and you have a good amount of healthy fats. So right off the bat, that's actually not a bad option to do when you're talking about doing, or at least going and finding a quicker, healthy-ish option down through there. Now, guys, you can make this really, the good thing I like about Chipotle is you can really cater this to really however you want. Now, before I go further, what about the whole white rice, brown rice thing? Is there really one that's healthy than the other? Guys, it's really personal preference. Without really, I'll save this for another video. There is no difference. I'm here to tell you right now, there is no difference. There's no difference that's going to say brown rice is healthier than rice. You are perfectly fine with that one. Exactly, Kristen. So in this, go for the rice that you want. Or you can skip rice and go purely veggie, so be lettuce and veggies on this one. I will recommend that at least for guys, get double serving of meat. Women, that's up to your call on this one. Go for corn, guacamole, and then right there, you're going to have pretty much, I'd say, a healthy, or at least making the best decision possible at Chipotle. And here you go. Now, for calorie macro wise, go to the website, use the macro requirements they have on the website. Go for there. They're actually pretty accurate on this one. So guys, if you go to Chipotle, what is it that you get? What are the healthy-ish options that you do on that one? I'd love to hear about it. Put in the comment section below. But in the meantime, everyone, take care. Enjoy this year. Have an amazing 2019. Can you believe we say that? Take care of yourself. Have great workouts, even better meals, and look forward to chatting with all of you later this week.